This is whimsy. Hope it's cute. This is extremely questionable. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I miss you guys so much. I hope you guys are thriving. I'd love to say I have a lot of life updates, but I frankly do not. I have not done any whimsy-filled things lately, and I am so over it. I was swiping my card, and I needed to add more things with whimsy in my apartment. So I got a giant Miffy lamp. If you guys don't know what Miffy is, it's this giant rabbit. I'm in a weird phase where like my style is evolving, and then also I have little whimsical trinkets everywhere, and I just don't know exactly what to do with my place anymore, to be honest. I seriously need someone to come help decorate because I'm just not the best at it. And then for my shelves, they've just started accumulating a bunch of junk. So I don't know how I got here. Needless to say, I need to fix it. Also, the Sanrio plushies are multiplying. In LA, it's been disgustingly hot. It is fall. Get with the program. It was 92 degrees yesterday, which is honestly terrifying for October. So I'm not sure how or why that happened. That's been new, and it has not felt like Halloween season or fall pretty much at all. Fingers crossed for November, I guess. In other news, all my friends have got the new iPhone and they love it. They say the front camera is great for vlogging and all that junk. I'm being influenced to get it. Everyone says they like it. So I'm like, do I need it? Yeah, I think I need it. I think I'm gonna go head over to the Apple store and see if I like it. I know everyone loves the orange one, but I don't know. I know the orange one is cute and everyone loves it, but I don't know about that color. I don't know. Comment down below. What color would you get or did you get? Let me know. Speaking of whimsy, is anyone else obsessed with coloring? I have decided that I really love stationery and I really love coloring, drawing, painting, all of the hobbies. I want to do all of them and all at once. Obsessed with trying hobbies or just trying little creative outlets here and there because I feel like I've just been kind of like burnt out. I don't know. I just feel like my nervous system's fried. I mean, whose nervous system is not fried these days? So I'm just finding like little nice fun hobbies that are just for myself. And what I love about hobbies is you don't have to be good at them to enjoy them, which sounds great to me. But I got such an exciting package the other day because I was saying I was getting into coloring and the coloring gods answered. I got a package from Bobby Goods. You guys, they make the cutest coloring books ever. Any of the cozy coloring books you see, they're Bobby Goods. The rest are, I think, knockoffs. Random people like copying the art style. But I believe this is the original artist. And look at like how much like goodness and trinkets and stuff they gave me. The packaging is just so cute. First of all, the cover is just so cute. And then the little pages can also tear out in case you do want to color it and then frame it later. This is whimsy. This is cozy. I definitely want to do like a cozy night in and do some like coloring and stationery and journaling and junk journaling and all of the good things. Maybe I'll make a video of that so you guys can like do it with me and it'll kind of be like a virtual hangout. Comment down below if I should do that because I feel like that'd be fun. All right, before we head out for the day, I need some caffeine, especially if I'm gonna vlog in public because you know, people are gonna be staring, they're gonna be looking, they're gonna be mumbling and cackling. I need to be on my avoiding eye contact A game. And of course, we're going to use our favorite Cloud Cafe. Cloud Cafe sent me their brand new flavor. This is their new strawberry matcha. She has vitamin C, probiotics, marine collagen. You guys know I live and breathe by this stuff. I have at least 2 packets a day. If you guys want to try it, please use my discount code. It is just Ollie at checkout. Also, they have like a sampler pack. So if you're not sure about what flavor, you can just get the sampler pack and see which one you like and then order a box of it. Personally, I love the churro latte the best. It's like my #1 favorite one, my go-to. Honestly, this is too cute. It reminds me of Wicked. And they also give me like a cute little chunk mug so I could have it. So let me show you guys how easy it is to make it. Sorry if the angle is weird. Hopefully you guys can see, but you simply just take a packet. So literally this is all you do. Pink goes good with green. You literally just pour the whole thing in. And I like to be extra, as you guys know. So I use a whisk, but you could simply just mix it with like a straw or whatever. And look how quickly that melts. So I use a little bit of hot water and then I'll make like a little concentrate of it and then I'll mix it with milk. You can do it with just water or you could do it with hot milk fully. Don't be afraid to get experimental. Some lactose-free milk. Let's pour her up. Ooh, that color. All right, mix all of it together. How pretty is that? Nice and frothy. Oh my God, you guys, this is literally wicked. Wow. It almost tastes like when you have really good cereal and then that milk, like Lucky Charms marshmallow milk. Oh wow. This is giving my churro latte a run for her money because this is really good. All right, I'm gonna finish that and then let's head out. We made it to the Apple store. Let's see if they got the goods. Guys, orange one is kind of cool actually. I do like this though. Wait, they have like little phone straps. That's new. I kind of like that. Hello y'all, I have returned with a brand new phone. So obviously I decided to get the white one and let's unbox her. I love doing iPhone unboxings on here. I feel like I do one of these every year, so this has almost become a tradition. Okay, all right. Now let me shut up so you guys can enjoy the ASMR. Ooh, she's juicy. Now the bottom part. Ooh, we love that. Oh my God, I actually love the aluminum. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's turn her on. I actually missed having a light colored phone. This is actually so pretty. I'm going to film a clip for you guys just to show you guys what it looks like if you vlog with it with the front camera, because I think that's a new feature. All right, you guys, so I am doing a DIY Sunny Angel shelf. So I got these like command hook shelves, which you just stick like little sticky things on the side, on the back, and you can just stick them on the wall. I showed you guys the area before and I don't know, I don't like that area. So I think I want to put these on the wall, and I bought 4 of them, but I think I'm gonna start with 2 just to see if I even like it. I have my box, you know, this is extremely questionable. And I also have little sticky pads so they don't fall off the shelf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick like my favorite ones and start laying them out and see how I like it. But let's see how it goes. All right, so these are kind of in some type of organization. I did the Marine series, the Halloween, some of my tan babies, some of the fruit series. Actually, my collection isn't too crazy. I thought I had a lot more for some reason, which is not a good thing because I know my brain is like, okay, you need to get more. I know this might look like a ridiculous amount, but for a collector, I would love to have a row of just the tan sunnies. How cute would that be? I am obsessed with the tan ones. So I think what I'll do is I'll put like the tan ones in the Marine series with them on one row and see how that looks. Okay, so I'm gonna do that really quick and get right back to you guys. After a lot of trial and error, I have decided that I need a lot more Sunny Angels if I'm going to do this how I want to. I'm so sorry to say, some of them just don't go together and they just look weird. And then I'm like, why did I pick the Marine series and like very summery when it's fall? It just doesn't make any sense. But this is my first shelf and I fear I need the whole Marine series to make it look pretty. Yeah. I put like these 2 in the middle, which is so cute. And then I have them all here. I was gonna put like some in between and like make it look good. This is angering me. This was supposed to be a cute DIY and this is just angering me. So I think I'm going to stop now. Once I figure out what goes where exactly, then maybe I'll return to it. But for right now, we're just doing this one. You guys, so this was the giant lamp I'm talking about. I got this from the MoMA store, and you guys, I am so excited for this. It's like a giant rabbit lamp. It's so cute. I wanted this in my apartment for a long time, and I finally bit the bullet and bought it. So I am going to unbox it. Honestly, this would have been a little easier with a pair of scissors, but all right, I hope it's cute. She was pretty penny. Okay. What's in here? You guys are not gonna be able to handle this. This is so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? This is so perfect. Oh my God, how cute is that on the floor? I am obsessed. When it is nighttime, I will plug it in and show you guys what it looks like, but I think I want it in my room though. Hello you guys, welcome to a brand new day. As you can tell, I got my hair cut. Let me show you kind of somewhat of updates for my apartment. So far, this is the situation. So I decided to add shelves. They might be crooked. I just feel like they'll fall down if I put like a leaf on them. So I don't know, but I'm gonna remove this. I might move her somewhere. I think only the record player will stay. Reorganize my actual records and put something else down there. Organize this little section. But that's how it looks right now. I have like a little matching area, some crystals and stuff. I got more books to kind of decorate this. I do want to get like a mirror for like this side of the entry table and then have this be like somewhere I can like throw my keys and see myself before I leave. And then maybe this could be different. I don't know. What should I put on these walls, you guys? What do we think? What are the vibes? I got these really cute Nara prints and I put them in these little album frames. They fit so perfectly. So I think I want to put them on the wall over here next to the shelves maybe. But I need to get some command strips. I bought some command strips and I have no idea where they went, and I bought so many. I literally hoard them because I always need command strips and they're all gone. I don't know where they went. I'm really scared and afraid of that. I want to do an update apartment tour so you guys can get like a full overview and then advise me because I need help. I need help, you guys. And let me show you guys some of the decor books I got. So they're all from the same Passion brand. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And the theme is like magical, mystical, spiritual. I just really liked the imagery. So we have plant magic, we have astrology, tarot, of course, witchcraft, which I love this painting so much. What a sick painting. Alchemy and mysticism. So this one's kind of a smaller book, but I really like the spine. Also, these books are so pretty. I feel like I could just get like a book holder and maybe put them on my shelves. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Sorry, I'm asking you guys so many opinions. I just don't know. I don't know. And I also don't know my vibe. What is my vibe? I don't know. I just like so many things. I contain multitudes, as they say. But yeah. Oh my God, also speaking of 3M online purchases, not that I don't own enough bag charms, but Pop Mart got me again. I saw V from BTS put this Hirono little bear on his bag and I was sold. I love all his outfits and looks so much, and as soon as I saw him put this specific little plushie on his bag, add to cart immediately. It's just as satisfying as like a blind box, but I already know what's inside. Oh my God, look how cute that is. Oh, I need to free him. Free me, free my friend. Oh, that was violent. There we go. Look at this little guy. This is so adorable. Well, I would probably put him on a bigger bag, to be honest, but this is peak fashion, you guys. Oh my God, I don't even know where to begin. You know when you start a project, I'm gonna get my house together, whatever, and now I'm like, oh, I'm so tired. Just the thought of it exhausts me, you guys. Once I want to do something, I have to act on it immediately, because if I get too in my head about it, I literally in my head already redecorated my apartment and I'm exhausted. And I didn't even do anything. I will mentally have these gymnastics. In my head, I'm like, oh, I'm doing this, and it gets... Oh. That's a sign I need to stop today. The shelves just fell. You can't make that up, you guys. You cannot make that up. Or I need to definitely get stronger strips. I noticed when I was putting them on, they were like a little flimsy. And you guys, the little like chaotic stuff like that, that's what derails me. Now I just want to lay. I want to lay and not deal with that. But I will for you guys. I will for you guys. All right, I need to go to Target before it's too late. Can I just say this? Such a random thought, but I am so excited for Wicked Part 2. The way I have been singing the song since the movie came out and just rewatching, and it's so good. Oh my God, and then I went to the live show. That was so incredible. I don't even, seeing that in person, and I'm just, it's so good. It's so good. They're gonna have to drag me out of that theater. I ended up getting like early tickets, so I'm seeing it November 17th, which is like a little bit earlier than the theater release. Invite me to a screening or something. I need to see it early. I need to see it. If you guys work for any Wicked affiliated brand or whatever, please, please, please give me a piece. All right, you guys, we're trying the dual capture feature. I'm so curious what this footage is gonna look like. Let me know if you guys like it or if it looks horrible, but I think it's kind of cool to see my environment and also vlog this way. Iconic. Oop, light is going. Let's go. Oop, hello. I can't do that. Barely past Halloween. There's already a Christmas tree and wreaths. Are you kidding me? And the escalator's broken. Love that. All right, need a little cute basket. Okay, there's already holiday stuff. You guys, there's a full Christmas section already. It was barely Halloween. They literally have all this Christmas stuff. This is crazy. That Target was so wild. You guys know like the bear cups that Starbucks released? I guess there was like a brawl in the Target in regards to the cups and people were fighting over them and I guess it got violent. I have this app called Citizen and it'll tell me like all like the crazy stuff that's happening around. You guys, the stuff that I see on there honestly sometimes is so like wild. So let's stick this on here. Wish I had multiple hands sometimes. And then this girly could just be like, let me know. Does that look bad? Maybe I'll add big ones to like the middle and the ends. Maybe that'll help. Not the sun coming in finally. What do we think? Please tell me that looks good. Why'd I do that? I need to eyeball it. Should I go there or should I go above it? I think above it looks better. I don't know. I just hope it's not crooked. Boom. This is what it looks like decluttered. I feel like it looks a lot better. I just need to add back things in more intentionally, which I will do slowly. This is the best it's gonna get for today. It is that time in my apartment where it's super bright. I'm like getting blinded by the sun, but I love it because my vitamin D levels are low. I need all of the sunlight I can get, especially now that it gets so dark so early again. Please just send help. But the sun is about to set and then I can show you guys what the Miffy lamp looks like on. Think I might definitely move this into my room, but look how pretty this is, especially at night. I am obsessed with this lamp. Cozy, moody lighting, and I love that. Also, the sunset looks quite beautiful.